Guys, this feature is available. You can use it in the advanced chart. Go to advanced chart and then click on this show trade history. You will be able to see it. So how do we know whether it is a long build-up, short build-up, and all these things? That is something which we will be doing it from our future analysis, option analysis, and other things. So as of now, in the initial 2 hours, there was a short build-up. Now there is a long build-up which has been happening on the Nifty. The same goes for the Banknifty as well. Initially, there was long unwinding. Then the short build-up happened. Now the long build-up is happening, but the price is not moving anywhere. So these guys are just playing around with no volumes. Guys, compared to yesterday, today, I think being an expiry day, hardly any volume is being done. Do you wanted to see the volume yesterday? Look at the historical data. Go to this and then select the date yesterday. And you can see it on a 60-minute time frame. Yesterday, at least we had 369, 624, 452, almost like in 3 to 6 lakhs. Today, it is totally crazy. Nothing is there. 2,49,541, 227, 16,000 just started because it is between 11:30 to 12:30, 6 minutes into that particular time frame. We'll see that how it goes. Guys, don't worry. The signals and other things, we will be explaining it in the session wherein we will go in detail. First, you needed to understand the concept. Don't just blindly go by the signals now. But if you're just going to be using the signals alone, I will tell you the signals, how you needed to decode the signal data. Okay, so someone who is looking for how you needed to trade using the signal data on the Bank Nifty and the Nifty charts, all you needed to do is just go into advanced chart on the OI Pulse, and this signal is available for all our annual plan members. Go to the indicators, search for OSPL signal, add it. Once you add it, you may not be able to see the current day signal unless and until there is coming up. You can see the previous days where exactly the signals have come in and other things. Here, what we have done is we have given you a clue in and out. What is in? That is my entry. Out, that will be my stop loss. Okay. So in case if I wanted to enter yesterday, what are the opportunities which were given yesterday? The market has given an opportunity at around 1 o'clock. Was there any move in the morning? Yes, there was a move. So the opportunity was given here at around 10:42. So imagine you are taking a trade in the following candle. Okay, you are taking a trade. And for this trade, your stop loss would be somewhere around 36,750. The out represents for me a stop loss. In case if I wanted to exit, this is the area wherein I would exit. Again, this is all scalping signals, not a positional signal. When I say scalping signal, this is getting formed on 3-minute time frame. So using this, whenever it is moving above my buy price, I will immediately needed to trail it or square off once it is achieved my 1%. Imagine if you're taking like a lots here. Okay, with this as your stop loss. This one particular candle is enough for you to make your money and get out. Okay, if you'd have been waiting longer, then it is up to you to take a risk. But this candle is enough for me to get an exit of 1%. One. Second trade, it came somewhere around this zone, which is around like in 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock, the entry was at like a 36,718 and the stop loss at 36,795. Even if you would have entered here, the next candle is more than sufficient for you to make more than 1 to 5% returns. If you'd have waited for the following one, yes. Always remember, once you enter, try to trail it, initial stop loss, and then like in my, as and when the market is moving lower or higher, I will place it above my buy price. Again and again, I am repeating, this is not a positional signal. This is a scalping signal. Okay, don't expect me to give you like in a large range because we are not playing on a larger time frame. We are playing on a smaller time frame to make a quick profit. So this is more than sufficient for you to do it. If you have missed this, you are getting another one here. And if you'd have entered on the next one, this candle is enough for you to get an exit. 1, 2, 3 signals gave you reward. And then the fourth one here with the stop loss at 36,827. If you'd have entered on this candle, then you are getting an exit here. This is more than sufficient. Almost like in a 4 signal, all the 4 signal gave yesterday the profit for the people who would have entered it. Yes, out of 10 entries, 1 or 2 might go against it as well, but not every time it will be moving on. And moving on here, This is a Nifty signal. The stop loss was here. It didn't trigger. It went lower. This is fine. And then the next signal came somewhere around here. This particular candle is our entry, and this should be more than sufficient for you to get the entry done. The third signal came in here, and then the stop loss was somewhere around, and we got the entry again and exit here. So all the three signals on the Nifty as well gave you perfect move. Guys, if you're a one lot player, then you would not do anything. If you're a multi-lot player, as long as this level is not getting breached, and if you think that you will be able to average your position, you can take your own risk. No one is going to be stopping you. But first and foremost, remember, all these will be valid for me for like a period of 15 minutes to 30 minutes maximum. Nothing beyond that. Why? It is all a 3-minute time frame. So I would not be holding this position anything beyond 15 minutes to 30 minutes, because these are all scalping signals. Keep that in mind always. Scalping signals will not be valid for the whole day. If you're taking a risk, it's up to you. But I'm not going to be like in telling you that you needed to hold it for that long. And all you needed to do is just click on save here. You can get the signal saved. And next time, in case if you wanted to, let me just open it for you one more time. Open advanced chart. This signal is currently available for only Banknifty and Nifty at this juncture. Okay, so imagine if I wanted to just change it to Nifty current month, it is already on 3-minute time frame. You can clearly see nothing is here. All you needed to do is OSPL signal, add it. It will be done. Now what you needed to do is save it, give a name, test, save this one. And that's it. From next time, if you're opening up a new chart, go here, load, go to test, and whatever the things which you have added, it'll all be showing up here. So every time you no need to add the signal and other things, all you needed to do is load whatever that you are saving it for. Guys, as far as these signals are concerned, it's been giving us amazing result. I hope all of you will be able to make use of it.